Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fabulous fashion world of the stylish Tripti Dimri. The actress, the rising star of Bollywood, has carved out a distinctive niche in the fashion world with her eclectic and elegant sartorial choices. Her style embodies a fusion of contemporary trends and timeless classics, seamlessly blending comfort with high fashion. On the red carpet, she is known to favor bold, statement-making ensembles that exude confidence and sophistication. For instance, she often opts for sleek, form-fitting gowns with intricate detailing, whether it's shimmering sequins, delicate embroidery, or dramatic silhouettes that showcase her tall, slender frame. Tripti's affinity for vibrant colors and unique textures adds an element of surprise and dynamism to her wardrobe, making her a standout at any event. She gravitates towards a more relaxed, yet chic aesthetic, frequently seen in easygoing yet stylish combinations like high-waisted trousers paired with crop tops, or oversized blazers teamed with casual jeans. Her casual looks often reflect a playful mix of bohemian and streetwear influences, underlined by her love for quirky accessories and minimalist makeup, which highlight her natural beauty. Her approach to traditional Indian wear is equally striking, as she effortlessly transitions from modern lehengas with unconventional cuts to classic saris with a contemporary twist. She's not afraid to experiment with prints, from bold florals to geometric patterns, and is adept at merging modern fashion sensibilities with rich, cultural heritage. Overall, her fashion choices reflect a versatile and confident persona, making her a trailblazer and a fashion icon in the making. Tripti frequently stuns in creations that balance contemporary couture with classic elegance. She has a penchant for gowns that are not just about fitting into the mold of glamour but rather making a distinct statement. For instance, she has been seen in exquisite pieces by leading designers like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra, and Gaurav Gupta. These gowns often feature meticulous embellishments, such as delicate beadwork, intricate lace, or shimmering metallic accents that highlight her silhouette. The actress is also unafraid to embrace architectural elements in her red carpet attire, opting for asymmetrical cuts, voluminous skirts, or dramatic capes that add a touch of theatricality to her look. Her choices often showcase a preference for rich fabrics like silk, velvet, and tulle, which drape beautifully and convey a sense of luxury. In her off-duty moments, her style is a refreshing departure from the opulence of her red carpet appearances. She has mastered the art of casual chic, often stepping out in effortlessly stylish outfits that exude a cool, laid-back vibe. Tripti's casual wardrobe is a mix of high-street fashion and designer pieces, with a focus on comfort and individuality. She frequently opts for relaxed fits like high-waisted mom jeans, loose blouses, and oversized knits, which she pairs with statement accessories like chunky sneakers, bold belts, or quirky hats. Her off-duty style often features a playful mix of prints and textures, reflecting her dynamic personality and a love for fashion that's both fun and expressive. Beyond the confines of conventional fashion, her style also ventures into experimental and avant-garde territories. She is known to embrace bold patterns, unconventional silhouettes, and unusual fabric combinations that push the boundaries of mainstream fashion. This experimental edge is evident in her choice of outfits that feature elements like exaggerated ruffles, daring cutouts, or bold color blocking. Tripti's willingness to experiment extends to her beauty choices as well, where she often opts for minimalist makeup that highlights her striking features, or bold, dramatic looks that complement her outfits. Reflecting a growing awareness of environmental and social issues, her fashion choices also show a leaning towards sustainability. She often supports brands that prioritize ethical production methods and sustainable practices. Whether it's choosing outfits made from organic materials, supporting local artisans through handcrafted garments, or rewearing and styling pieces in new ways, Tripti is increasingly aligning her wardrobe with her values of conscious consumption. Tripti Dimri's red carpet appearances are often the epitome of haute couture, frequently adorned in masterpieces from elite designers. She has become a muse for many high-fashion designers, thanks to her innate elegance and ability to carry off intricate designs with poise. Her collaborations with renowned fashion houses like Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Manish Malhotra, and Anita Dondre have cemented her status as a style icon. Each of these collaborations highlights her versatile beauty and her knack for transforming into the designer's envisioned muse. Sabyasachi's regal, vintage-inspired designs, for instance, align perfectly with her ability to channel old-world charm, while Manish Malhotra's glamorous, contemporary pieces emphasize her youthful vibrancy. These partnerships often see her in rich, opulent fabrics like velvet and brocade, adorned with delicate handwork and elaborate motifs, further enhancing her red carpet allure. The actress also excels in the realm of fusion fashion, where she blends Western cuts with traditional Indian elements to create a unique, modern aesthetic. She seamlessly integrates pieces like tailored jackets over lehengas or pairing a sari with a crop top, showcasing her ability to innovate and push the boundaries of conventional fashion. This fusion style is not just a nod to her cultural roots but also a reflection of her contemporary sensibilities. Her Indo-Western looks are often characterized by the use of bold, contrasting colors and intricate detailing, creating a striking visual impact that resonates with a global audience. Her fashion repertoire frequently dips into vintage styles, drawing inspiration from the glamorous eras of the past. Her vintage-inspired outfits often feature elements like puffed sleeves, high-waisted skirts, or retro prints, which she pairs with contemporary accessories to create a fresh, updated look. Tripti's love for vintage is also evident in her choice of accessories, be it a vintage clutch, retro sunglasses, or classic pearl jewelry, which add a nostalgic touch to her ensemble. When it comes to everyday wear, the actress embraces a bohemian spirit that is effortlessly chic. Her casual wardrobe often includes flowy maxi dresses, wide-legged pants, and boho blouses with eclectic prints and earthy tones. This style is all about comfort and ease, reflecting her laid-back personality. Tripti's bohemian looks are often accentuated with natural materials and handmade accessories, such as leather sandals, woven bags, and chunky wooden jewelry. This approach not only showcases her love for artisanal craftsmanship but also aligns with her appreciation for sustainable and ethical fashion choices. In contrast to her relaxed off-duty style, Tripti Dimri also demonstrates a commanding presence through her take on power dressing. She frequently opts for tailored suits, structured blazers, and crisp shirts that exude confidence and sophistication. These outfits are often characterized by sharp cuts, clean lines, and a monochromatic palette, reflecting a minimalist yet impactful aesthetic. Her power dressing choices are not just about making a style statement but also about expressing her strength and independence. Her ability to pull off tailored elegance with the same ease as her more relaxed look speaks volumes about her versatile fashion sense. On the days when comfort takes precedence, her style seamlessly transitions to chic athleisure and casual wear. She has a penchant for trendy activewear, often seen in coordinating sets of leggings and sports bras, or stylish tracksuits paired with sleek sneakers. Her casual outfits typically include cozy sweaters, oversized hoodies, and joggers, creating a balance between comfort and style. This approach is indicative of her active lifestyle and her preference for clothing that allows ease of movement without compromising on fashion. Her minimalist approach to fashion is particularly notable in her evening wear. She often opts for sleek, understated gowns and dresses that emphasize clean lines and subtle details over elaborate embellishments. This minimalist elegance is a testament to her understanding that sometimes less is more. Her minimalist choices are often accompanied by a pared-down approach to accessories and makeup, allowing her natural beauty in the simplicity of the outfit to take center stage. Her choice of accessories is another aspect where her refined taste is evident. She gravitates towards pieces that are both statement-making and complementary to her outfits. Whether it's bold, chunky jewelry for a modern touch or delicate, traditional pieces for a more classic look, she knows how to balance her accessories with her overall style. Tripti often chooses pieces that are artisanal and bespoke, adding a unique element to her ensembles. Her accessories, be it a standout clutch, a pair of designer heels, or a set of elegant earrings, are carefully selected to enhance and complete her look without overpowering it. In line with her versatile fashion sense, Tripti Dimri's makeup and beauty choices also vary widely. She embraces a natural, dewy look that complements her understated outfits, focusing on glowing skin and neutral tones. She opts for bold, dramatic makeup that makes a strong statement, perfectly paired with her more glamorous ensembles. Her beauty regime often features minimalistic yet effective techniques, such as emphasizing her eyes with smoky eyeshadow or her lips with a bold color. Tripti's hairstyles are equally dynamic, ranging from sleek, straight locks to voluminous curls or intricate updos, each chosen to suit the occasion and her outfit. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.